Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a very interesting and beautiful story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, once upon a time, there was an ant and a grasshopper. Second line is, during summer, the ant worked hard gathering food for the winter. Third line is, the grasshopper, on the other hand, sang and played all day long. Fourth line is, the ant asked the grasshopper, why don't you collect food too? Fifth line is, the grasshopper replied, I am enjoying the sunshine. There is plenty of time. Sixth line is, as the cold winter came, the ant had plenty of food to eat. Seventh line is, the grasshopper, however, had nothing to eat and was hungry. Eighth line is the grasshopper went to the ant and asked for food. Ninth line is the ant said, I worked hard in summer. Now I have enough food. Last line is the grasshopper learned that hard work pays off in the end. The moral of this story is hard work pays off in the end. So, we should always work hard for our goals and we will definitely succeed in whatever we do.